In 2009, I started selling PDFs with absolutely nothing. I had no sales page, no professional products, no mock-ups, no ad creatives, no nothing. The only thing I had is a scrappy little PDF that I wrote myself, hoping it would sell. Little did I know money would not come in whatsoever. The only money that would come in was from those who really followed me heavy, and that was just a handful of people at the time. So I didn't know what I didn't know, but now that I do know, things have changed for the better, of course. But the big players, they all had one thing in common. They had a very powerful sales page that done 90% of the selling for them. So that's exactly why, if we fast forward to today, why myself and many others are able to really crush it online, because we have exactly that. We have very powerful sales pages that match up with a professional PDF. And that's exactly why I launched PDF Vault. Now, if I would have had PDF Vault in those days, I could have skipped all of the headaches and went straight to the money. So if you're somebody that sell PDFs, but you're really not making money, or if you are somebody that want to start selling PDFs and you want to skip the headaches like basically that I had to deal with, you want to just skip all of that and just get straight to earning, this video is exactly for you. So what you're looking at right here is PDF Vault. Again, I built this for those who would like to sell PDFs, not only the easy way, but the most powerful way. So we have premium PDFs that's built for sellers who mean business. And I really mean that when I built this whole entire site, and this whole entire business in a box is what I like to call it. So as you can see, there are steps right here that explain exactly how things works. You claim your license, you get your sales page live, you download your ad creative, you add your checkout link, and you follow my ad training. It's just these steps right here, 5 steps in order to start selling PDFs immediately. But if we go down here, let's check out some of the latest PDFs right here on PDF Vault. We have one PDF right here called the 5'8" Effect, another one called the Financial Literacy Emergency Kit, and we have another one called Your First 5K with Digital Products. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to click on whichever one that you want to check out and license. As you can see, it's $29 one-time fee plus a $9 hosting fee for web hosting. But you can view the mock-up right here. This is the sales image. So whenever you go ahead and join PDF Vault, if you decide to do that, that is, you will be able to download this ad creative right here and use it for paid ads like Facebook and Instagram ads. If you click right here, you can go ahead and preview the PDF right here that you will be able to license, and you can preview the sales page right here. So PDF Vault is something, again, that I wish I had when I first started out, because all I had is like a Microsoft Word. It was like a Microsoft Word doc that I exported as a PDF, and I wrote it myself, and it was probably 200 mistakes in every PDF that I wrote myself. But these right here are professionally written by those that know how to write way better than I do, and the sales pages, as you can see, is completely next level. These sales pages right here are designed, like with psychology, they're designed to really do the selling for you. So whenever somebody comes to a sales page like this and it says your first 5K with digital products, this is the playbook, and it's only $17, it would be nearly impossible for 10 people a day to say, I don't want to make my first 5K with digital products if I just started selling them. So sales pages like this are going to really do 90% of the selling for you. And again, right here on PDF Vault, you will see many different products right here. Let's check out this one right here, for example. The one-person AI business blueprint. Well, if you have this ad creative right here sitting on Facebook and Instagram, and it says, let AI do the work, you quit the job. So how many people that's working a 9-to-5 job would be attracted to an image like this just sitting in their feed? I'm sure plenty of people will, because of FOMO. So people don't want to get replaced by AI at their 9-to-5 job. So most people are going to click on an ad like this. They're going to go over here, and after they purchase, of course, they're going to access their PDF. But before they access their PDF, they will be met with a beautiful sales page just like you see right here. So overall, this is PDF Vault, and this is a whole business right here that you can start for $29. Of course, if you wait, that price will go up $10 per 15 people. So if you are like person number 16, you'll end up paying $39 for a license, which of course is still less than any business in the world that you can think about starting. So it doesn't matter what business on earth that you think about starting, you're not going to start for less than $100. And this right here, of course, is way less than $100. So that's why I highly recommend jumping on this really fast, because the more you wait, it will go up $10 per 15 people,
with a max limit per PDF. So I wanted to start PDF Vault because my goal is to get people like yourself selling PDFs the right way. Because if you go to Google or if you go to Canva and you just try to create a PDF like I tried to, you're going to be met with the same problems. You're going to have a sales page problem and also an ad creative problem. But once you got all three matching assets, just like you see right here, it's nearly impossible to fail when it comes to selling PDFs. But whenever you go ahead and dive in, that's not it right there, because you will go ahead and get to tap into the setup process, of course, and also the Facebook ads training where I teach you everything that you need to know. So where else online will you find not only a business in a box, but also ad training as well? So this whole video, I wanted to create this whole video. You can take it as a sales video if you want to, but really I don't care because I know that I'm helping tons of people get started selling PDFs for under $100. So take it how you want to, but overall, this is something that I want it to be a whole ecosystem of selling PDFs.
So I honestly just wanted to show you something that I wish I had when I first started. A lot of people will still take the hard route. They will take the tough route. They will watch this video, keep on moving, go into the next video. Not only that, they're looking at people online that are not really in this game or haven't been in this game, like of course as many years as I have. These people that are faking screenshots that are not refreshing their screen to show you the actual income that they've earned selling PDFs. The only thing they're doing is they're talking about selling PDFs, they're faking screenshots, and they're also getting you to purchase things that they really have no experience with. And that's the problem with the whole entire space right now with digital marketing, online marketing. There's so many fakes out here. But take it from somebody like myself, if you watch some of my other videos, you will watch me refresh the screen, you will watch me update everything in real time. So I show you that I really do this and I really make millions and I really still make a ton of money selling PDFs. Really all types of digital products, but PDFs are definitely my favorite ones to sell. This video was meant to introduce you to PDF Vault, the very powerful platform that I personally created to give you the access to. Basically, I just wanted to hand over the keys to somebody like yourself that want to start selling PDFs the easy way instead of the hard way. I had all kinds of problems starting out. I had to deal with all of the headaches. I had to deal with all of the gatekeepers, so somebody like yourself don't have to. PDF Vault is open right now. You can go ahead and tap the link in the description of this video to tap in, or you can keep on watching videos on YouTube and let years and years pass by. It's completely up to you. But if you are somebody, again, that want to start selling PDFs, or if you're already selling them and you want to level up almost immediately, PDF Vault is the platform that I built for you to go ahead and tap in, to go ahead and skyrocket your sales, and to really just hit the ground running overall. So there's no better time than to get started selling PDFs than right now.